Welcome, my fellow flightless birds, our feathers plucked from the rubber tree, our wings forged in fire, and oil pumps in place of blood. Despite our limitations, we have our own clever ways to fly. Roads that would otherwise be no more than utilitarian features buzz to life with the energy left in our wake. Obscure locations with seemingly little purpose tell unexpected stories as we stop to rest. While in flight, a bird sees the same world as us, but from a different, much more beautiful point of view. Similarly, a rider experiences and affects the world in a brighter light than a driver. Metaphorical, yes, but with very little exaggeration. We see, feel, hear, and smell a better world. Every ride is a symphony of sensation, the wind singing in your ear, the sun painting your skin, the road's details to be seen passing beneath you, and the world's scent swirling around you. We are weaved into this orchestra of life that drivers can only observe from behind glass. ride through landscapes, not past them. The mountains, forests, and fields are not just scenery, but companions on our journey. We feel the Earth's heartbeat with every mile. Blending into our surroundings everywhere we go, this imposes its own hazards, but opens more doors than it closes. Nothing said here is to provoke negative reactions, but rather to trigger motivation. This is my best attempt to explain color for those living in black and white. Many will never hold the slightest interest in how we fly, and their reasons may well be justified. However, if you carry even a mild temptation, let it guide you at least once, if for nothing else, just to see what you're missing, for more reasons than just their convenience and capabilities. Something about these two-wheeled machines removes mental roadblocks. Motorcycles carve paths through the world like water through rock, finding the beauty in every twist and turn that larger vehicles overlook. They seek out new paths that take you far away from reminders of repetition, encouraging you to look for any excuse to create another small adventure. I look forward to riding many more miles, but if tomorrow's road is a dead end, today's path was worth every inch. A sobering thought that conveys the risk we take and the rewards we make. I find self-control and enduring vigilance to be among the most important qualities a rider can have to continue their journey.